Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Defender X-Dynamic SE finished in the very sleek Carpathian Grey. It's a 3-litre diesel, does come equipped with the Detachable Tow Bar for all your towing needs, and it's sitting on those 20-inch satin dark grey alloys, working well with the exterior styling. You've also got the rear privacy glass, and showing you the practicality now, you've got a huge amount of boot space there. Moving to the interior, I've got the Ebony Leather interior, certainly does look the part. Plenty of legroom in the back there as well. Does come equipped with a Meridian sound system, sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle. Very well presented dashboard, and you do have the sliding panoramic sunroof and a huge amount of natural lighting. Always nice feature within the vehicle. Taking a seat inside now, you've got ease of access to the navigation system. 3D surround camera, giving you full coverage of the vehicle, allowing you to target certain areas as well. Ease of access to a huge range of other features with a simple touch. These do include your heated front seats, perfect for use on those colder days. Moving down, you have got your 2-zone climate control. And for more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.